In this activity, we are going to learn how to change order of objects that we put into our Google slide. We are going to insert, again, File, Edit, View, Insert an Image. The directions call for a car. You just worked on a car, so you could even copy and paste if you wanted to. Click on the car, Insert, resize by going to the corner and changing so that you see an arrow on both ends of your line. You resize so the scale is going to fit in your assignment box. Then you can move your car to be exactly how you want it to be. Now it asks for you to insert a beach ball. Insert image, search the web, and now we're going to put beach ball. And we want it transparent, so we're going to leave the PNG. All right, beach ball. I'm gonna click on a ball that I want to select. I know it's select because it has a blue circle, filled circle with a white check mark. Now I'm going to come down to the bottom and click on insert so that it inserts into my slide. I'm going to resize it so that it fits in my spot. Okay, so as you can see, the ball is on top of the car. We want it to be behind the car, not in front of the car. In order to do that, we go up to our toolbar, take our mouse, and we slide over to where it says Arrange. We click on Arrange, and then we click on Order. Once on Order, we choose Send backwards. And now our ball is in the back. And the beach ball is behind the car. Maybe make that a little bigger. And that is how you arrange your objects on your Google slide.